Robles. It's a 1 year follow-up from the procedure I had done about a year and 4 months ago. After the 1 year follow-up with the surgery and everything else, because I had a fusion and a disc replacement, I feel better. It is this whole 1 year journey from it. It's just like I don't get the tingling pins and needles on both feet. My knee doesn't hurt anymore. I don't get no more weak leg anymore. Like my right leg is like fully functioned. I just get a little aches and pains if I just extort my back by lifting a lot or doing anything bending. But other than that, it's great. I really don't feel what I used to feel. Major thing is I feel relief. Like I don't have to wake up every morning feeling how am I going to feel today with the pain. Is my leg going to be tingling? Is it my knees going to hurt or my leg's going to be weakness? Now I can just get up and just do whatever I want. In your mind, you're just like, you try to be careful because you just went through a major spine surgery a year ago. So you try to be real cautious what you do those. So that's the hardest part to overcome. But other than that, I pretty much do everything I'm supposed to do. I lift weights, but I don't really do all the bending and everything else because I wanted to see where I'm at after this 1 year follow-up to see if the bone and everything healed properly before I start running, bending, lifting and everything else. So I just do real light workouts and then, I feel great. I do recommend Dr. Francis. It's just hard just to take that leap forward because a lot of people always hear stuff about back surgeries and then, they're scared about it. I was in the same situation. I was nervous, scared, but the outcome of it is it's outstanding. I feel better every single day and I feel really relief from it. And I'm glad that I came to see Dr. Francis for the surgery that I had a year ago.